Alright, so what is up, guys? Today's going to be candy selling video day 1, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of my candy because I just restocked, and I usually don't do this process with people on YouTube, especially never recorded myself unboxing this stuff, but I figured it might as well give it a try because I'm pretty bored right now and I have nothing really to do, and I think I should just get back to making more candy selling videos. So I got my scissors with me right here, and basically I went to Costco today. And if y'all didn't know, this is like okay, so usually I talk a lot about selling candy on my older videos and how to be successful in it. In this video, see, I have the receipt right here of everything that I bought a while ago, and I never showed this to anybody, but this is a receipt here. It was $208 worth of stuff. This is how much you should be restocking about every 2 weeks or maybe once a month if you're gonna get more than this to be a successful entrepreneur at school. Basically, what I bought today was only this Coke right here. I bought the Twix, and I bought the chips and the gum. So let's get to unboxing. First, I'm going to do the gum, because that's the easier one to do. Only got some plastic on it. And you can see, these cost $8.99, which is basically $9. I'm not going to put 1 cent as a difference of dollars. So we just take off this paper, and boom, you have chewing gum. Now, the thing about chewing gum is, guys, people don't know this, but chewing gum kind of sucks ass. The flavor runs out really fast, but it's still gum because people chew it for the flavor. It's just that it runs out really fast, which is why I sell a pack for $1, and people think it's a really good deal. But in reality, I mean, it is a good deal. It's just that the flavor runs out really fast. I need to open all these up and put this all together. This kind of fell out. God dang. Alright, let's go fill this back up. I want to know how you guys are doing. Please leave a comment in the video. Just tell me how much you guys have made so far on this kind of investment and business. Because I know many people don't do this kind of stuff at their own school. Maybe every school might have one guy who does it, and I'm probably that one guy because I don't know anyone else that does it in my school. Anyways, let's just open this up. Where should I open it from? Right here is good. So it kind of has a cardboard seal that's been glued on, and it's really easy to buy these in stores. I got this at Costco, which is a good place to get the business in, especially. So I just opened it. Inside at 36 bars, and this thing costs around $22. So that's about 22, so 36. That's a $14 profit right there. Let's put this to the side, along with the gum. Alright, and as you can see, I have a Hershey's here. They're almost sold out. They're at the bottom right now. Alright, now let's get our chips open. Now, this is chips are a really good seller because people don't want to eat too sweet because they might have a basketball game that day, or they might have run the mile for PE. They don't need too much sugar to get them really hyper or anything. So this is why chips are very good, because even if you don't have lunch, always come to me. I have very affordable chip prices. These are 50 cents a bag. I do it for because the school, they sell for $1 a bag. But the thing is, if you're gonna back into school, you're gonna have a really empty wallet by the end of your first week. Cause there you go. The bag is open, and I'm gonna go over review what happens inside. So basically, here we have Fritos, Cheetos, the Doritos, Cool Ranch, Nacho Cheese, Barbecue Lay's, Sour Cream and Onion Lay's, and Classic Lay's. So just pour all this out. Here you go, guys. Don't need that box anymore. And we just have all our chips on the floor, lying around. I'm about to pack it in the full bag here, so I can show you guys what I do. Either I do this the morning or the night before the day. I have to bring these. So, you want to bring a good mix of everything, just Fritos, Lay's, a beach bag, barbecue, Cheetos, Doritos, more Cheetos, so I only took 2 bags. Sour cream and onion Lay's. I'm just trying to bring as many as you can, so you make it as much as possible, because every time I come back home, they're literally almost sold out. And I can't do anything to fix that, but to bring more every day. So So that's how I'm gonna try to assess the situation there. There you go. Let's close that up. And that's ready to bring for tomorrow. Just have to zip that up, and I'll be ready. So as long as I unbox these, they're gonna be ready. I put these in the fridge so they don't melt as easily the next day. But anyway, let's throw this stuff away. I've never really seen a candy unboxing video. It's kind of weird, especially for someone that sells candy. This gets a little annoying. Alright. There you go, we got it. Okay, so here we have an opening. You can just take soda out, you know, move the next one out, and then continue cutting more layers into each one. This is going to be ready to bring tomorrow and put it in the fridge overnight. I don't need to put it right now because we still need to use the fridge for other stuff, you know. And today is a Monday, actually, so I just actually came back from the weekend. Today was the first day back to school after, you know, our weekend, obviously. And it did pretty well. I'm going to show you guys how much we made today. Here you go. Hold on. In this box was water savings because last weekend, before Saturday and Sunday, on the Friday we both got paid. I got 100 and my partner got 80, and I got more because I'm a G, obviously. I get more than him. This is like mostly ones because I spent, well, add it up together, we both got paid 180 if we add it together. So we don't have much left, and I just restocked our stuff. Yeah, we're pretty broke at the moment, but you know, you can still make more with the amount that we have. And apparently there's a little Frida on the floor I found, which is not a good sign because one of those bags could have been popped open. Or was already opened by someone else. So anyways, yeah, this is a lot of ones, and in your business, or if you're selling candy, you're gonna notice you're gonna have a lot more ones than anything else because people who like to buy stuff, I sell everything based on like quarters or $1. Nothing's more than $1. If it's more than $1, you're gonna have to deal with a lot more quarters and stuff like that. So they hand me a lot of $1 bills, and that's good because then I can always use it to give back change if they give me anything bigger than that. And this is about it. I'm gonna show you guys one more thing first before I go. So in my backpack right here, I have a new way of storing stuff. This box right here. This is like the G box right here. The one and only box. I've been using this for a week. The past week, and it's been working out so well. When you cover it like this, like it's literally like really black. And if there's no light, like I have light on my ceiling, obviously. But if there's no light, like in my backpack, it's pretty dark in there. You know, if I don't have the lights on, like in a classroom just under my table, they can't even like see what's in here. So this will go perfectly in there. Teachers will like search in your bag. If they touch this, they might think this is like a book or something because it feels like a hollow book. Like you know how you touch the textbook cover, it will make that sound. Yeah. And you open it up here. You can put anything you need in here. And I'm going to show you guys what I can put in here. Alright, example. I can store my money in here. Close that up. You know. That's probably not a smart idea because it's like, you know, not locked. But anyways, I'm about to show you guys what I could do. So possibilities are, I got KitKat, right? Boom, boom, and boom. Wait, one more. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. All of them are in. Try to fit in 4. Okay, that works better. So we got 4 of these white chocolate KitKats. Next, let's take a bunch of these Twizzlers. Alright, we're gonna layer them in. Layer by layer. I just put about 6 for each layer. We got this side. See, this box is just like so good. If you can find a shoe box like this is not a shoe box. I think this was like for some kind of art that we had in here. I'm not sure. I put it in here. That was what it was used for. And we got Hershey's next. This is a very good tactic for storing stuff and not having anyone suspect that there could be something in there. Very good. Works really well. And I have no complaints about it. So that must be good. Because I've been doing this candy business for a long time. As you guys already have known. I'm about to open this thing up. We just have M&M's and Snickers. One thing I find about these boxes is that the normal M&M's and the Twix always sell out before the other ones. They're always like the late guys to show up. Alright, you know, they're last. Late. Next, and last but not least, you want to have the Oreos in here. Face upwards so people can see the Oreos. And here, let me get this real quick. Alright, we're good on Oreos because I have some at my school already in my locker. And I think that I'll end it off at that. With all this stuff you have, you should be able to last a few weeks without having to restock if you're a slow seller. If you're a fast seller like me, maybe about the end of this week you're going to run out. And then you're going to have to go again and buy more stuff. And you're going to learn your lesson. Every time you buy stuff, you should get more and more because, you know, eventually people are going to keep coming back in. I still need to bring this whole pack of gum. That just fits in very nicely if I put it right on top. I can still close the box easily. So that's what you want to do. And that's it, guys. I'm going to end the video right here. Take a look at everything I have. This is here for a reason. The duffel bag's here for the chips. My backpack's here for a candy and drinks. On the sides, I have this drink space. I'm thinking about getting another bag for drinks and other stuff like that, because you can carry more drinks if you have an extra bag for it, and you can also keep them more cool. And alright, I'm gonna end it like that, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. I'm gonna do another one tomorrow if this one, you know, uploads in time, to see how well it does. Thank you.